Motherfucker said you claim you know what's up, though. Been a great hoe, stay the fuck away. Locked up on my side, pull up like I'm AAA. Any motherfucking time, any motherfucking day. Demons all about me and they begging for a fucking taste.
Same shit, different day, playing with the cake. Don't know what side, it's the block, where the fuck I stay. Still a creeping in the good, remain sick as fuck. Every other vent, do.
It's breaking bad, I've been rolling with the devil lately. Have you ever seen a demon pull up new Mercedes? Most hate that underrated, you know great and clean. Fucking straight to hell and clear the motherfucking pig.
Better stay away. Better stay away. Stay the fuck away. Stay the fuck away.
I just put the perk, I just put the sand. See this bag of dope, that's 100 grand. Celebrate some hope, fuck I hit the dash. Looking for some love, holla at your man.
With the hammer, I'm a dog, sicky bad law.
You know it's personal when the mask off.
Beat this body on display like it's half out.
Scam the game, call me Birdie, but don't mad dog.
Go, to the world, so my dick saying, but don't hide, cause I always get away with it. Fingers hot, 5'9", what the fuck it is? 3 fingers hot, put your way to the fucking end.
Hey, rock will never shoot you blind. Got one in the chamber with your name on it. Block, pull the rank, captain of the great grave. Blocking in the fucking tank, east bank. Got my blade sharp and cut tight. I can't shoot your way, I'ma play my tongue.
Hey, why all these ops on my block, huh? Pull out the chop like a mob, bruh. Hey, streets sweeping like it's Mardi Gras. Lit up streets with a bunch of bloody body parts.
Swinging on the 30s, got the 30s in my glove box. Cops pull me over, they about to get their mug pop. Cherry lemonade, type of stain, pull up in the rain. Split this fucking rain like a bitch who loves some chuck high.
Let me the fuck alone. Let me the fuck alone. Let me the fuck alone. Let me the fuck alone.
Stepping out at a 5'9", all of my partners for lifeline. 30 33 years, I can keep myself off these 30s. I'm clear for the week. Gang with me, whole gang with me. I got no fear in these streets. Bang, sell me autos, but I'm hanging out the fucking cheap.
Never sleep, drinking off the rock, block of paper keeps. Real life drug addict, come down, always fucking sleep. Never sleep, I know that the reaper waiting for me. I know that he patient, see his reflection when I pour it up.
Codeine in the club, double a dub, now I'm smart. I might not wait up, Uzi tuck next to my 40. Southside of the leg, yeah, I'm on
With the Glock on my side, riding, hanging out the window, screaming, who wanna die? Savage, loud, elegant with 100 bad habits. Say I need prayer, all I need is my ratchet. Pull I swing with the blade, then I pray over dead prey, banging great to my grave. Millie rock, stop, I say, what that mean? I don't know. Took about 4 hands today, sipping lean, dying slow. Drugs made me feel okay.
Jack up from the flames, make a stain, love a bitch like you. Fuck the 12, fuck the cops, we ain't forgot about you. Kill 'em all, kill 'em all.
Please walk, all I say, burn $500,000 cash. For that paper, turn it ash. Walk away and start to laugh, ha 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 ha. No more, I got cash, 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 and cars and bras. Hit that 7-figure mark without an A and R. Scarecrow walking in the fog, life got worse than it was before.
Probably cop a script with Roxy. Probably cop. Probably cop a script with Roxy. Y'all be kinda sloppy. Got me dodging all these body bag 'em in the lobby. Drop me Adderall and alcohol and then the pop.